This is Darshana Gauchan with your B2B Cambodia Market update for December 2nd, 2025. The Cambodia Securities Exchange Index was up 1.98 points or 0.47% to 419.76. Total trade volume was up with over 102,000 shares changing hands at a total value of 520 million real or over 130,000 US dollars. On the main board, 4 stocks were up. Leading the market was Pestech Cambodia, up 2.55% or 70 real to 2,810 real per share, followed by Akleda Bank, which rose 1.41% or 100 real to 7,200 real per share. Sihanoukville Autonomous Port and Phnom Penh Autonomous Port were also up. On the downside, Grand Twins International dropped 0.28% or 20 real to 7,020 real per share. Meanwhile, the remaining 4 stocks on the main board remained flat. Over on the growth board, both stocks were down. JS Land dropped 1.48% or 40 real to 2,660 real per share, and DVD Engineering dropped 0.93% or 20 real to 2,140 real per share. Akleda Bank recorded the highest trade volume of the day with 48,810 shares changing hands at a total value of 349.7 million real or over 87,000 US dollars, approximately 47.5% of the total trade volume on Tuesday. Phnom Penh Water Supply Authority recorded the second highest trade volume of the day with 14,871 shares changing hands at a total value of 30.8 million real or close to 8,000 US dollars, about 14% of the total trade volume on December 2nd. In other market news, CamGSM plc, the operator of CellCard, has secured approval from the Securities and Exchange Regulator of Cambodia to issue long-term private debt securities in the amount of $180 million. According to the company's disclosure notice issued on the CSX, the debt facility carries a coupon rate of 7.75% per annum with a 7-year maturity expiring on November 27, 2032. The issue amount represents 59% of shareholder equity, which will bring the company's total debt-to-equity ratio to 64% following the issuance. Moving on to the exchange rate, the Khmer Real to USD was stable at 4,009 real per US dollar, while the US dollar index was slightly up to 99.43. Looking at global commodities, oil prices held firm on Tuesday as traders weighed up risks from Ukrainian drone strikes on Russian energy sites, mounting US-Venezuela tension, and mixed expectations for US fuel inventories. Brent crude futures rose 7 cents or 0.1% to 63.24 US dollars a barrel. US West Texas Intermediate crude gained 13 cents or 0.2% to stand at 59.45 US dollars a barrel. Both benchmarks advanced more than 1% on Monday, while West Texas Intermediate was near a 2-week high. Gold eased after touching a 6-week high in the previous session as rising U.S. Treasury yields and profit-taking weighed on prices, while investors awaited U.S. economic data to gauge the U.S. Federal Reserve's policy path. Spot gold fell 0.3% to $4,218.71 US dollars per ounce. U.S. gold futures for December delivery were down 0.6% at $4,250.70 US dollars per ounce. U.S. stock futures trod water on Tuesday morning as investors assessed a fragile start to December trading. As of the time of the Cambodian market's closing, contracts tied to the Dow Jones Industrial Average, S&P 500, and tech-heavy Nasdaq 100 all nudged down around 0.1%. This was Darshana Gauchan with your B2B Cambodia Market update for December 2nd.